Okay, so for science today, you're going to be doing a little bit of research for your weather topic that you're working on with your group for your group project. So today you're going to be doing this by yourself. You're going to pick 3 interesting facts about the weather that your group chose. So if your group chose tornadoes, you're going to be researching tornadoes. If your group chose blizzards, then you're going to be researching blizzards. So you're going to go on to Epic and you're going to type in blizzards, if that's what you have. Then you need to go to fiction/nonfiction and you need to choose nonfiction because you want true information, you want facts about blizzards. So then it pulls up a whole bunch of things that a whole bunch of books about your topic. So you see lots of blizzard books. You're going to pick which ones look interesting to you. You see there's some that are read to you and some that you have to read yourself. And then you are going to write 3 complete sentences with your 3 interesting facts about your topic. So let's say I was doing floods. I would type in floods, and it's still on nonfiction, and then I could go into floods and look for some interesting information. So I'm going to read. So, wow, this one says others can quickly grow to create 20-foot walls of water. So if you think of 20-foot walls of water, that is huge. I'm only 5 feet, so that would be way over my head. So I might write that as one of my facts. I don't want you to write exactly what it says on this page. I want you to put it in your own words. You need 3 interesting facts, and when I say interesting, I don't mean floods is when there's lots of water. Everybody knows that there's lots of water when there's a flood. So you need to come up with something that is interesting and that other people would be interested to hear. Okay, you're going to write it on a piece of paper, your 3 facts, turn it into Google Classroom, and you are done with science for the day.